There's a lot. Yo, what is up, everybody? Today we got a sneaker unboxing video for you guys to show you. Not gonna lie, I did buy these a long time ago and I've worn them a couple times, but I wasn't on YouTube then. Now I'm on YouTube, so I'm like, you know, they've been sitting around, I don't wear them much, I may as well still do an unboxing video. May as well unbox it, you know, it's not brand new, I'm not capping or anything. It's like, it's still being unboxed, it's still being put on the foot, it's still being reviewed, it's still all the things you need, just not as clean as you would like it. Still pretty clean, just the bottom is, that's all. So you just don't look at the bottom of my shoe. Yeah, so this is the reason I also want to do this, because it's the most expensive shoe, one of my most expensive purchases ever, most I would ever spend on a shoe. And yeah, so I got it off eBay for resale. Sadly, I didn't get the drop. I really wish I did. Didn't even get the second drop. I did get the slides though, so I'll put that link in the description. Go check out those slides. Gotta love the hemp product. That's why I'm all about this. That's why I needed it. That's why I love it. Yeah, that's why I think it's so dope. So we got the Nike Stüssy collab. You can see we got the Nike on the top. I love this box too. I really love it. We got the Stüssy, like this box has been on display forever too. We got size 10, Air Force 1 low / Stüssy, fossil, and you know it's that hemp material made in Vietnam, USD 130 American dollars. So beautiful, this off-white and red box. So nice. Really, really love it. Yeah, let's fix that. Really love the box. Even like, you know it's fire when even just the box is dope. Like, oh my gosh. Now I can't do this. Okay. You know it's fire when even just the box is dope. And then you open it up and it's got this fire first layer of like this like jungle paper. They even put this in the slides too. So I hung the one from the slides up because I don't really need a box for my slides in my room. And then I'm gonna keep this paper in here. I love this paper. This is one of my most favorite boxes and papers I've ever gotten. Like, this is such a nice paper. It's like a whole like art to be like framed or something on its own. There's another layer of the white tissue that was over it, and I just put it on the bottom. And then you got the shoes. So the reason I really love these, not only that there's the most like fire shoes ever, is because hemp. I love the product hemp. This is like the first Nike product made of like actual hemp too. So Stüssy went out and they're like, hey, no, we need to actually make this out of textile. So it's mostly hemp, I believe. They didn't say like the percentage, which is kind of disappointing. It doesn't show the percentage of how much hemp is actually in it. It just says 100% textile. So it couldn't be like, could be a lot of cotton mixed, could be who knows what, because, you know, they cap. Nike's a big liar, so I feel like it's only like 20% hemp or something. Super dope though. Even the sole has that hemp textile like material, and then you got this embroidered SS, the Stüssy logo on the one of the Stüssy logos on the toe, a nice embroidery and embroidered checks, embroidered checks on the side, and then this beautiful like woven loose fray kind of design with this beautiful pendant, Stüssy pendant on the back. I love that like fray design too. Like the individual designs on this shoe like are so amazing. Then you see like that cross stitching. It's also kind of like that same loose fray, like long. I guess it's like long stitching. Is that what you'd call it? I'm not too sure. And it has a mostly leather interior besides the textile hemp sole. It's mostly leather in the inside. And then that is kind of annoying though, because you don't really want to be walking on a shoe where the inside's leather. It's not going to be good for like sweating. It's not going to be good for like just like friction, moving around. Not going to be good for like molding. Like it'll kind of go bad over, like not like mold, like molding to your foot. And it'll kind of just like won't last as long, I assume. Like, I don't know if that's something you just want to have like against your skin all the time, if it's like the most comfortable. So that's kind of a weird design choice. I would have preferred like just like another kind of material. I guess it was like to make it look nice and everything, but like I don't know how, it just doesn't feel the best on the foot. I would have preferred just like a material throughout, so then it can kind of like work with the hemp kind of text, the synthetic, not synthetic, the hemp textile material on the outside, because then it would help to like breathe really well, because hemp's really good at that. Help for wicking, help for anti-odor, sweat, perspiration, like all that stuff. It'd be really good if it could like work together. Instead, the leather kind of just blocks it, so you're not really getting the full purpose of that really good hemp quality material. And we got these beautiful textile laces with a Stüssy and Nike. Well, it's a Stüssy logo, the Stüssy logo with a check on it. Very nice. The label's actually on the side, it's not in the tongue. So we got size 10. Anything else to say about this? I even lowered the laces down one so you could actually see the Stüssy logo. Just a regular bottom, a little bit dirty. I love the off-white gum also to match. Off-white gum and sole. Yeah, that pendant, really fire too. Like, my favorite pair of shoes ever. I wish I could have got like a bunch of these at release and dyed some of them. I still want to get the black pair. Or even if they ever go down, like, or if they ever release again, I will get a bunch of them. I want to dye them, like, do all kind of crazy art. I think like dyeing them would be so fun and so sick. Like, they're perfect for it. When these get beat in like 5 years, that's what I'm gonna do, just dye them. Because I barely wear them. That's why they should last like 5 years at least. Who knows, maybe I'll start wearing them like crazy because they're fire. It's just the inside, like they're not as comfortable as you would want. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. I always do a preview at the end of my videos, so you can check that out. I'm gonna try them on for you guys now and show them what they look like on the feet. They're pretty true to size. I got a size 10 and it's actually like, they fit me pretty good, except they're a bit long. So they do fit like regular size length, but because of that leather and everything, they are a bit chunky, but they will mold to your feet because of the leather a little bit. But that's why it's not really good to buy used ones, because then it's already been molded to someone else's foot. Also, another tip. Yeah, so pretty much true to size. I usually get like 9.5 because I like to be tight fitting. I don't like creasings, but I like a loose fit, especially for like a good quality shoe where I just like want to last and I want to just be comfy in it. So I got a 10 and it fits pretty good. Yeah, almost true to size. Bit weird because of the materials. That's about it. It's not really like premium or anything. No extra air. Pretty dope. Wish it came with more laces too. I don't think, yeah, should have came with another pair of laces if it's a collab. I don't know how they decide on the laces. Anyways, thanks for watching. Now I'll put them on the feet for you guys and show you how fire they are. So, let's put them on the feet. Also, probably easy to stain these things. Suss it up. Suss it nice. Perfect song. Where you from? From it all. Going up. Going down. Suss it
Hey,